Imbalance. So with the IMB, it's very, very similar to the bank level. So in this example, we can, just imagine that this is one candlestick. So it's all about the one single candlesticks. The high of the candlestick. So again, just imagine that this is one candlestick here. The high of the candlestick obviously broke to the upside, hence why there's a break of structure. There's a pullback after, but it doesn't retest the high of the candlestick. So this is what you retail are expecting this to happen, right? So because there's a failed retest, it then forms an imbalance. It also obviously forms a bank level there, but we're just focused on the imbalance. So what's happened now, it formed the imbalance, there's a bit of a complex pullback, and eventually it does retest to 50% of that imbalance range/zone. So in this example on the live market, what can we see on this Bitcoin chart is this particular candlestick here on the left, it broke with momentum, it rallied, and it failed to retest the previous high of that candlestick. So what's happened now is formed the range, complex pullback, but this particular low here, this new low that it made, and this previous high, you draw your fib from this area, and you form an imbalance of the 50%, and eventually you can see that this is your entry criteria to go long.